Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to tap into a world where money isn't just cash or credit cards? It's something entirely digital, unstoppable, and growing in value right before your eyes. Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the twist. It's real. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrencies. And now for the big question. Where do people actually buy, sell, or trade these digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin? The answer lies in cryptocurrency exchanges, the powerful platforms that make it all possible. A cryptocurrency exchange is essentially an online platform where users can buy, sell, and trade digital currencies. Think of it like a stock market, but instead of trading shares of companies, you're trading cryptocurrencies. These platforms connect buyers and sellers, ensuring fast, secure, and reliable transactions for everyone involved. There are two main types of cryptocurrency exchanges: centralized exchanges, CEX, and decentralized exchanges, DEX. Centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase are managed by a company or organization that oversees transactions. On the flip side, decentralized exchanges like Uniswap operate without a middleman, relying on blockchain technology to let users trade directly with each other. Here's how it all works. First, you sign up on a cryptocurrency exchange. On a centralized exchange, you'll likely have to verify your identity using a passport, driver's license, or similar document. This step ensures security and prevents fraud. Next, you'll deposit funds into your account. This can be done using traditional currencies like USD or EUR via bank transfer, credit card, or even by transferring other cryptocurrencies into your account. Once your funds are in, you're ready to trade. You can place an order to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at the current market price, market order, or specify a price you're willing to trade at, limit order. If you've ever used a stock trading app, this part will feel familiar. The exchange's technology does the heavy lifting by matching buyers with sellers. Centralized exchanges have advanced systems that do this instantly. On decentralized exchanges, smart contracts, automated blockchain-based agreements, ensure that trades happen without any third-party involvement. Finally, there's a small fee for every transaction. Once the trade is complete, your new digital assets are transferred directly to your wallet, where you have full control over them. Without cryptocurrency exchanges, trading digital currencies would be far more difficult. These platforms make it easy, accessible, and secure for both beginners and experienced traders. Centralized exchanges offer simplicity and support, while decentralized exchanges give users full control and privacy over their assets. Cryptocurrency exchanges are the heart of the digital asset world. They're where the action happens, where dreams of profit come to life, and where anyone can access the future of finance. The next time you hear someone talking about trading crypto, you'll know exactly where the magic happens: on cryptocurrency exchanges.